Staying in Rossford, the Bulldogs hosting 𝗦𝗃𝘀 in the NBC opener. Man on first, bottom of the first, Caden Kirkman turns on the pitch into left. 𝗦𝗃𝘀𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗁 rounding a third and coming home for the first run of the game. There'll be plenty more where that came from. Landon Ryder flies into center and just out of the outfielder's reach. That's going to bring in Kirkman. It's a 2-0 Bulldog lead. They put up 4 in the first, more in the second. 2 on for Brandon Swope, and well, with an assist from the wind, it goes just beyond the right fielder's glove. All Rossford in this one. Bulldogs run away with it. 14-0 the final, with the 9 runs in the second, snapping a losing streak in style.
Definitely something we needed. Definitely just for the mental side of the game. We were kind of struggling a little bit there. Obviously, weather has kept us off the field a little bit the last week or so, and the last 2 losses were kind of hard on us. So it was good to get back in the win column. You can't take anything lightly, so it's good to get back in the win column and start the league play 1-0.
On the call for this one, Kevin Peel and Rick Poland. They join us now.
NBC opener for 𝗦𝗃𝘀𝗏 and Rossford today at Jerry Baumgartner Field, and the Bulldogs, coming off of losing their last 2 games, really needed a spark to just get themselves back on the right track, and I think they accomplished that today.
Well, exactly. They came out here with one mission, and that was to get out and jump on 𝗦𝗃𝘀𝗏 early, and they did that with a big inning in the second inning, and it was just kind of cruising from there.
The wind was a factor again today and did alter some balls hit into the alleyway, but nonetheless, it was all fueled by that solid contact that they were making at the plate.
Yeah, if you're Coach O'Shea, you have to be kind of happy about that aspect, that they were moving the ball around, taking the extra bases when they could, putting the pressure on the defense, and giving themselves a feel-good game, I guess, as they continue on here.
And Jackson Yurkis, along with Caden Kirkman, able to combine for the shutout. Rossford gets the win, and they don't have a lot of time to celebrate. They're hosting Swanton tomorrow.